The AC Infinity Window Duct Kit gives inline fans, portable air conditioners, and dryers a solid, dedicated route to exhaust or intake air through a window without sloppy gaps or makeshift panels. Its sliding rails adjust smoothly for both vertical and horizontal mounting, so it can be dialed in to fit a wide range of window frames and sliding glass doors in homes or grow setups. The frame feels sturdy and weather-resistant, providing a stable mounting surface that helps keep out debris, drafts, and pests while the fan or air conditioner runs. Multiple adapters are included so you can hook up common duct sizes and air conditioner hoses without hunting for extra fittings or wrestling with tape and improvised couplers. Because it supports both exhausting stale, smelly air and pulling in fresh outside air, it is especially useful for grow tents, workshops, and hobby rooms that need constant air turnover. Overall, the kit offers a cleaner, more professional way to route ducting out a window, improving airflow efficiency while avoiding the look and leaks of do-it-yourself cardboard or foam inserts.